morning and welcome to episode 3 in the new house build. So far we have announced the property. We have done our oh, that's barbed wire. Oh! Okay, hold on. Okay. We have done our septic testing. We have shown you the house plans, and now today the next step is to mow the property and to stake out where the home is going to go. I am currently standing in mowed tracks. You can see there's Joel down there on the unmowed section, and then the mowed section right next to him. I'll tell you, it's a whole lot easier walking on it now. Oh my gosh. Does Joel have his shirt off? Yes, yes folks, he is mowing with his shirt off. Yeah, I'm gonna pause and get a picture. Well, I enjoyed having his shirt off, but he's like, okay, if you're gonna come film me, he's like, I don't want my shirt off. He's like, I'm not that fit. Cutie! I'm going to put my camera down and walk, and I'm just hoping that you guys can see all of the little grasshoppers jumping everywhere. I don't know why I said caterpillar. I hope you guys can see them, but it's just like, there's just thousands, literally thousands hopping around everywhere.
Mom, we heard the snake.
Do you think you did?
Yeah, I did. Because I was over by you guys, and I was like, Dad said, because there is rattlesnakes. There's rattlesnakes all over here. So I was like, I'm just gonna go by Lincoln just in case there's. I
believe you, actually.
And so I went over there, and then I heard some. I was like, okay.
So you came over here?
So I was like, I heard a little. I'm not over exaggerating. I'm not gonna be like, yeah, we heard a rattle, but like.
You think you did?
I think I did. Yeah.
Okay.
So
well,
like,
I believe you.
Chances, so.
Yep, I believe you.
I'm not overprotecting him, but I'm helping.
Do you know what I think I'm gonna miss? Dad's mowing down the weeds, but the weeds are almost as tall as Lincoln, and I think that's just really sweet.
Your eyes are new worlds to discover. Your heart is the place I call home. Let's run away to faraway places. We'll make a new life of our own. Your eyes are new worlds to discover. Your heart is the place I call home. Whoa.
Oh my, I literally can't.
I found this one on the road, and I found this one over there.
I found those two. I cannot wait to see how many you find.
Mm-hmm.
Good. Okay, are there steps to get up in here? Or do you just
On this side, over here.
I went on this side. I'm just gonna hoist myself up right here. Are you gonna ride on it?
You coming for a ride?
No.
I think you should.
Your face. Turn your face. Turn to the other side.
Dusty?
Yeah, she's just a little dusty.
Like this.
Yeah.
We're all covered in dust.
Look at my. I'm holding on.
Well, it's not gonna be clean.
It's a dirty work.
It's toasty out here, but you know, a nice little blessing that we had was it's been in the 100-degree weather, and they were worried about us starting a fire if we were to bring the tractor out. It's been super dry, and yesterday we had a ton of rain, and it's in the 60s. It was like 69 degrees, so it's probably warmer now.
Hotter,
It's warmer today, but it's the what am I trying to say? The dirt has a little moisture to it, which is nice.
Yeah, so it's a little less dusty, a little less chance of starting a fire. So this is the perfect timing.
Yeah, we got really lucky on
Mom,
this
do
today.
you think after we're done with the mowing, can we go to the lake?
to the lake. Are you watching all those people out there in their boats?
Well, I'm pretty sure one of my friends is out there skiing
Really?
right now. Yeah. I saw his truck at the marina when I drove by. I was like, that sounds fun.
I know. I was thinking the same thing, Link. We're going to work today, but then we will have plenty of lake days, that's for sure.
Today?
Not today. Jill and I took a little break and we've been studying where the landscape what we might do, where it might go, because I told Joel I don't want to plant any trees that's going to block from, you know, basically from here all the way around. I don't want to block any of this view. And so I'm thinking about where Olivia is standing, and up is where we'll plant all the trees, so that that area up there, you know, we really don't know, and I'm gonna hire an architect, like a landscape architect, to help us figure that out. So if you guys know any, please DM me. I gotta figure out, like, where are we going to put the swing set? Where are we going, you know what I mean? Like, where's all that gonna go? I don't really know. I originally was thinking, so here's where our property, we haven't shown you this. So the property kind of ends here. And it doesn't end here, sorry. The flat part ends here. And then we have from here all the way, there's a fence down there. But what you see right here on this like slope is ours. And I thought maybe the kids could, because they like to play over there. But I want to be able to see the kids or grandkids playing from the house. And I don't think I'll be able to see them. We'll have to wait and see, I guess. Okay, Link, hop out and let's go find some lunch for Daddy, okay?
Is there anything you want, Daddy?
I'm good with anything.
We'll figure it out. Leave the seeds for Dad. He's like, I'll take these sunflower seeds.
Dad's not gonna need these. He's just driving a tractor.
Hop on out, honey. Okay, we'll see you in a little bit.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye, love you.
Love you.
Love you, love you.
You brought your mitt and your ball just in case, huh? I was like, I don't think Dad's gonna be able to play ball with you today, but you can play with yourself. Back to working with this shirt off. I brought you a hat. But you gotta come get it. Cute. Oh,
I got some
cute.
shade.
Joel, that's cutie.
I'm wearing
Oh, brought some lunch out.
Not at all.
Is it hot? Okay, hand Daddy. Well,
Did you guys already eat some?
apparently Olivia's shorts are too short, huh?
And then there's fruit.
What's the extra lettuce?
Oh, that's mine. I did lettuce wraps.
Are they trash?
Trashed?
Hopefully not.
Here, look. Please don't take your shirt off. I don't want your fries. Plus you have a tan line from your gloves.
That's mostly a dirt line you're seeing.
Really? I don't know, your arms are pretty red. Well, you can see Joel's working over here in the sun, and a storm is coming in. So hopefully he can finish his work today. I'm sure he'll be able to, even in the rain. To say Joel got caught in the rain is a bit of an understatement. His hat is soaking wet.